student ko din sila.
See? Oo,
Ano sila, ma'am? May attendance sila, ma'am? Beauty care o
meron.
caregiver?
Beauty care.
Pala sila. Si sister-in-law ko, ay pumapasok, ma'am.
Sino?
Kasama niya yun.
Si
Beauty
Joy
care
Maria.
din. Turo ko sa'yo, ma'am. Meron pa ba yung may day mo?
Mary Joy?
Yeah.
Ay, yung laging nauuna.
Ano?
Maganda din yun, di ba? Yung Mary Joy.
Oo, sobra.
Patingin?
Bakit? Ano, sister-in-law ko yung inaano ninyo. Botong-botong ang mama ni Wairo doon eh.
Legit?
Lagi eh. 50%.
Negative. Makita niya na yun. Di man. Babalawan na yun.
Forehead na, Julie.
Wala na, huwag ka na magpakulay siya.
Yung immersion nyo, depende sa performance nyo ngayon. Sir.
Anong tingin?
Ay, wala na.
Pwede mong anuhin yung book dyan, figure in.
Ang cute ko na.
Siyan.
Sila.
Di ba napipindot yan? Yan yun, bro. Yan o. Diba? Turo mo si sister-in-law mo.
Ito si sister-in-law.
Siya yung president namin.
Dito?
Katek Pro.
Oh, loss!
Ba't that pro? Ano yung that?
Wala na nga kasama. Sama-sama na siya. Niya. Yan, ganyan ba yung nag-disinfect? Ay, tangik yung konti na to.
Pag ano, from dito, pag ganyan.
Ay, dali mo ako.
Circular na.
Oo, dadating na.
Para may tanong ako. Bintana na. Para di ka nakikita ng PBA.
Oo, para hindi
Wala pa naman kayo kasi hawak-hawak kami kagad. Biglang bitag si Yola.
Ilagay ko to sa YouTube.
Ikaw, tapos yung ano yan ay
Ano na lang? Ano na lang? Tako.
Anytime that you would want to do this service, would be before chemical service, before a color because you are stimulating the scalp circulation, blood circulation to the scalp, and doing any kind of color or perm or chemical service after this is going to irritate the scalp afterwards. You're going to find that their color or their relaxer, their perm is quite itchy on the scalp. And it just really so that's, I mean, if they had abrasions on their scalp, we wouldn't do this, but also if they were ready for chemical service, we would do this. Do that. You're going to be doing the circular motions with that. So like that, go up the scalp. Or circular motions. Most of my times I'm using the tips of my fingers off the scalp on the sides of the head, applying pressure there.
Wala yan dito.
Circular motions.
Wala naman kasi sila. Eh, na may direction siya pag ano. Tapos ear to ear na na. Ear to ear. Ayun.
Circular motions
Yung ito yung nagaganyan.
Brace down the forehead to circulation. Then your textbook does go through and have some neck massage movements, but we don't do those those massage therapist experts there until since we don't go into much of the muscles and the bones.
350 na uwi niya. Wala pa naman. Kabila na. Sige pa, i-close mo na kung gaya ng hilot natin sa ulo. Imigala mo ka dito. Just close mo na.